Okay, number 1, fill in the blanks to complete the addition problem and answer that is shown on the number line. Okay, so notice you're starting at 0. Okay, you're starting at 0, and you're going 4 to the right. Okay, so that is the 4 here. And then after you go 4 to the right, you are then going, you could count the spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then you're going 6 left. Okay, so that would be represented by a negative 6. So we have positive 4 plus a negative 6, and then that's going to leave you at, right there, that would be at negative 2. So we have 4 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 2. Okay, question 2 is a lot like it. You want to know the addition problem? Okay, start at 0. Oops. Okay, starting at 0. First thing you're going to do is go left 1. Okay, so that's given to you. Left 1 would be a negative 1. And then from there, you're going to travel an extra, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more to the left. So that would be a negative 6. So we have negative 1 plus a negative 6 because those are both negative directions. And then we end up at that number right there, which would have to be a negative 7. Okay, number 3, we have 4 minus 7. So if you're looking at it with tiles, a positive 4 and a negative 7. Remember, we're treating that subtraction symbol as a negative. Okay. But whenever we have charges, and we have a positive and a negative, they attract. So if we take all of the positive negative pairs away, we are left with simply negative 3. Okay, but I also want you to see that on a number line. Okay, start at 0. It's going away. Okay, start at 0. First number you see is a positive 4, so that would be going right 4. I went a little past it. It should just be a 4. And then I have a negative 7, so I'm going to go left 7 from the 4. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, 5 to the left, 6 to the left, 7 to the left, and that leaves me at negative 3. So I would give the same answer, just doing it with the number line. Okay, let's do one more before we stop the video. Number 4, we have negative 4 minus 7. Okay, but I like to think of that as a negative 4 and a negative 7. And here's the picture. 4 reds for negative 4 and 7 reds for negative 7. Okay, if I want to find the charge, there are no 0 pairs in that picture. Okay, right? There's no yellow and reds that cancel out. So our charge is going to be what we see, which is 11 negatives. Okay, with the number line, think of it as negative 4 first, starting at 0. Always start at 0. Okay, always start at 0. Why is that not letting me do this? Okay, start at 0. The first thing you see is a negative 4, so that means left 4. And then from there, we have another negative number. We have a negative 7. So that means 7 more to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more to the left. And we end up at negative 11, okay, which is what we got using the tiles. Okay, use the next video to do the next couple problems.